Okay, question number 5. Is my timer going? Yep. Okay, so it says Leon wrote an expression that is equivalent to 30 plus 6 divided by 12. Which expression could be the one that Leon wrote? Again, this is not asking you to just solve it. You want to know which one is equivalent. But if you think about it, you could look at trying to somewhat solve it, okay? So if I think about it and break this problem into 2 pieces, what's on the left side of the division and what's on the right side. So I need this right here, the left side, to be a 36, okay? And then divided by something else that equals 12. So I'm going to box this in the middle for each one. And then we're going to see, because this looks like right here might be like factor tree information. We'll see. Okay, so 36 divided by 12. Well, 36 divided by, oh, but we got to be so careful because of order of operations. This one has 36 divided by 12 because of the parentheses. Now, 36 divided by 3, though, is 12 times 4 would be 48. So don't fall for that, okay? It's not A. Okay, so now these are in parentheses, okay? So 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. But again, there's not parentheses over here. So 36 divided by 4 times 3, 36 divided by 4, then this time is going to be 9 times 3. That gives me 27. Okay, well, 36 divided by 12, that answer is 3. We want to know which one's going to be 3, okay? Oh, this one gets a little bit tricky because we have a lot of multiplication in here. So 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 times 3 is 6, divided by 3 times 2 times 2. Ooh, that looks very confusing here. It looks like we'll be doing some multiplication and division, but not dividing of the whole thing. We're not really dividing by 12. I'm going to scoot this one over here and rewrite the whole thing out because this one is worth really looking into, okay? 5 times 6 plus 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 2 times 2. Okay, is it all on there? All right, so if we start right here and do 5 times 6 and get 30, let's rewrite everything else. Okay, just like we always do for our order of operations. Times 2 times 2. Now I have multiplication here, so 6. 30 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2 times 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 30 plus 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 30 plus 4 times 2. That's 8. So 30 plus 8 would be 38. Okay, it's a lot of steps there. Because they're not grouped here, it makes it a little bit different. Okay, now this one, I love this last one here because it is in parentheses. Okay, this one is in parentheses. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18, times 2 is 36. Okay, that's 36 in parentheses divided by 3 times 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. Okay, you see how that one worked? Those parentheses made a huge difference in the way we solved this problem. So 36 divided by 12 then would be 3. So the answer is D, but it's because of the grouping and the parentheses.